Today, I want to dive deep into an intriguing development on the Pakistan Stock Exchange. Foreign corporations are not just investing, they're aggressively purchasing some of the best stocks available. Why, you might ask? Let's break it down. First up, the cement sector. With infrastructure projects booming worldwide, cement is as crucial as ever. Foreign investors are catching on to this trend, recognizing the potential for substantial returns. Next, the fertilizer sector. As global food demand grows, the need for agricultural enhancements does too. This sector's growth prospects are drawing in big-name investors looking for long-term yields. Oil and gas exploration companies are also on the list. Energy needs are expanding, and with geopolitical tensions affecting oil supply lines, diversifying energy sources is a smart move for any investor. Then, we have the power generation and distribution sector. With increasing demands for energy and advancements in technology, this sector's stocks are becoming hot commodities. Don't forget about commercial banks. Stability and growth in the banking sector often reflect the overall economic stability, making these stocks a safer bet for foreign investors. Technology and communication and textile composite sectors are also on the radar. In an increasingly digital world, tech companies represent the future, while textiles remain a strong export commodity for Pakistan. So why should you care? Well, if you're looking to invest, these sectors might be where you want to put your money. The interest from foreign corporates is a strong signal of potential growth. I hope this information proves fruitful for you. If you have any questions or need further details about the Pakistan Stock Exchange, drop a comment below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.